गांधी जयंती निमतान 2 ऑक्टोबर सावन काँग्रेसीन काश्मीर ते कन्याकुमारी भारत जोडो यात्रेचे आयोजन केला। उदयपुरात काँग्रेसीच्या नवसंकल्प चिंतन शिबीर कार्यावळीच्या निमण्या दिसा सोनिया गांधीन ह्या विशीं घोषणा केली। आमकां एक मार्ग सोदून काडचो पडटलो। आमी आमच्या पक्षाक आयिल्ली मरगळ फाफडून उडोवन अपयशाचेर मात करतले। होच आमचो निर्धार आनी होच आमचो नवो संकल्प आसतलो अशें तिचें मत।
Launch the national Kanyakumari to Kashmir Bharat Jodo Yatra, beginning on Gandhi Jayanti this year. All of us, young and old, will participate in it. Seniors will have to find ways to accommodate seniors like me in this, on how to easily participate in the yatra without having to run out of breath and God knows what else. The yatra is to strengthen the bonds of social harmony that under severe stress and to preserve the foundational values of our Constitution that are under assault, and also to highlight the day-to-day concerns of crores of our people, as Rahulji has mentioned in his speech. Meanwhile, Phase 2 of the district-level Jan Jagran Abhiyan that had been launched earlier will resume a month later on the 15th of June. Very hot time, but it will. The extensive campaign will highlight economic issues, especially the growing unemployment and intolerable price rise that is destroying livelihood. A compact task force will be set up to drive the process of internal reforms that are essential and that have been discussed in different groups here at Udaipur.